Ooh. Next part here is synthetic division. I'm sure most of you will like it more. Okay. Our first step in synthetic division is to write the coefficients of the dividend so that the degrees of the terms are in descending order. So, our coefficients are 2, negative 13, 26, and negative 24. Next, we're going to write the constant r of the divisor in the box for x minus r. So, x minus 4 means x equals 4. So, we're going to put a 4 in that half box. That comes from the divisor. Okay? Now, you don't have to set it up as an equation each time, right? If you have x minus 4, it's going to be the opposite. If you had x minus 7, you'd put a 7 in the half box, right? If you had x plus 8, you'd put a negative 8 in the half box, okay? It's going to be the opposite of whatever that number is there. So our first step from here, I guess it's not our first step, our next step, all right, this is going to be the same pattern the whole time. We bring down the first term, all right, and by the way, synthetic's always going to be addition. We bring down that first term, and what we do next is 4 times that first term. So this will be 4 times 2, gives me 8. 4 times 2 gives me 8. 4 times that 2 gives me 8. Then I'll do negative 13 plus 8. What's negative 13 plus 8? Negative 5. All right, I'll keep that same pattern. 4 times negative 5. Negative 20. Add them together. It gives me 6. 4 times 6 gives me 24. Add them together. So I have no remainder here. That last part right there, that where I circled that last box, that's always going to be the remainder in synthetic division. So to write our solution, okay, you're going to start with 1 less than the degree of the polynomial. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. That exponent is 3. All right, we'll start with a variable 1 less than that. So our answer here will be 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. All right, next example. All right, what number do you think will go in the half box?
6.
6, good. My coefficients are 1, negative 2, negative 25, and 6. Synthetic is always addition. So first step, bring down the 1. What's 6 times 1? 6. All right, so now negative 2 plus 6 is 4. What's my next step here?
6 times 4.
6 times 4 gives me 24. Negative 5 plus 24 is?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Next step?
Negative 1 times 6.
Which gives me negative 6. So I have a remainder of 0 here. Again, the degree is 3. All right, so I'll start with x squared. That'll be x squared plus 4x minus 1. Next example, what number goes in the half box?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Always addition. My coefficients are 1, negative 10, -2, and 4. What's my first step?
Bring down the 1.
1. Next.
1 times -3.
Good. Add them together and I get... Oh, I messed up.
Yeah,
Yeah, don't you have to put a
0.
0 in?
We do. Lo siento. All right, so we'll have 1, 0, -10, -2, 4, because this needs to be x to the 4th plus 0x cubed minus 10x squared minus 2x plus 4 for that to work. Okay? So, bring down the 1. -3 times 1 is -3. 0 plus -3 is -3. What do I do next?
Multiply -3 by -3.
Good. That gives me a positive 9. -10 plus 9. -1. -3 times -1.
3.
3. -2 plus 3
1.
gives me 1. -3 times 1
-3.
gives me a remainder of 1 here. Gives me a remainder of 1. So we'll do the same way as long division. But here my degree is 4. The degree is 4, so I'm going to start with x cubed. So I'll have x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 1 over x plus 3.
Huzzah.